In today's episode, our host dives into the ultimate volcano curry challenge, a dish so spicy it should come with a warning label. As they tackle the first spoonful, their eyes widen and sweat beads form.
Jokes fly as the host hilariously compares the flavors to molten lava,
Desperately searching for relief while munching on rice. Midway, with a fiery mouth and laughter, they can't help but exclaim, "I thought curry was supposed to be comforting, not a sauna." With sheer determination and only minutes left on the clock, they push through the heat, proving that real food adventurers never back down. Can they conquer the volcano curry before the final countdown?